Welcome to the glass bottle remelting factory, where waste becomes valuable solar components. Millions of discarded bottles arrive daily for recycling.
First, bottles undergo inspection to ensure purity. Sorting begins to categorize by color and type.
Advanced machines remove contaminants like plastics. Color sorting preserves glass quality for solar applications.
Metals are extracted using powerful magnets.
Thorough washing removes residues and adhesives. Tumbling ensures every surface is clean. Air drying prepares them for crushing. Bottles are crushed into cullet pieces.
Cullet is the key recycled material. Lasers detect and remove ceramics. Stored cullet awaits the melting phase. Cullet mixes with raw materials. The blend enters the hot furnace. Melting occurs at 1,500 degrees Celsius. Stirring ensures uniform consistency.
Fining removes air bubbles.
Molten glass is ready for forming.
Float method creates flat sheets. Tin bath ensures perfect flatness.
Cooling solidifies the glass. Annealing prevents cracking.
Sheets cut for solar panel specs.
Polishing enhances transparency. Inspections ensure high purity. Low iron for solar efficiency. Packaged for solar manufacturers.
Shipped to solar panel assembly.
Recycling saves 30% energy. Lowers CO2 emissions significantly.
Promotes sustainable practices.
Enables circular economy. Human oversight ensures accuracy. Automation boosts efficiency. Diverse waste turns uniform. Precise control for quality.
Viscosity checks maintain standards. Final product powers renewables. Lab tests confirm purity. Safety is paramount here. Community collection starts it all. Efficient transport minimizes impact. Unloading kicks off processing. Weighing tracks material volume.
Conveyors move bottles smoothly. Skilled hands spot issues.
Rejects are minimized. X sorts by hue precisely.
Water recycles in the plant.
Scrubbing removes all traces. Drying prevents moisture issues.
Crushing creates usable cullet.
Sifting sizes particles evenly. Hoppers store ready cullet. Blending optimizes the melt. Furnace heats to extreme temps. Flames transform the materials. Flow directs the liquid glass.
Skimming purifies the melt.
Tech eliminates bubbles.
Tin bath forms flat panels. Ribbon achieves ideal thickness.
Controlled cooling set structure.
Layer relieves internal stress. Cutter size to precision. Wheels smooth the edges. Lights highlight any defects. Coatings boost solar performance.
Robots handle packaging. Pallets ready for shipment. Integrated into PV modules. Powering clean energy.
Saves significant energy.
Cuts pollution effectively.
supports green goals.
Team drives innovation.
Upgrades enhance efficiency. Minimizes factory waste.
Educates on recycling.
Sources from everywhere.
Optimized for low emissions.
Streamlined unloading. Evolving sorting tech.
Innovative cleaning methods.
Maintained for reliability. Focus on cullet quality.
Precise material ratios. Energy-efficient furnaces.
Constant melt monitoring.
Advanced forming techniques.
Precision in annealing.
Automated cutting accuracy.
Detailed polishing process.
Strict inspection protocols.
Innovative packaging solutions.
Tracked for delivery. Examples in solar tech.
Visualized benefits.
Visions for future recycling. Collaborative team efforts. Collaborative team efforts. Demo of safety measures.
Campaigns boost collection.
Fleet ensures timely arrival. Metrics show efficiency. Full cleaning cycle. Powerful crushing action. Smooth cullet flow. Dynamic mixing process. Intense furnace operations.
Achieving perfect melt.
Elegant forming stage. Mastery in cooling. thorough final checks. Showcasing the end product.
Summarizing positive impact.
Recycling powers the future.